Here's an absolutely stunning 2002 Ford Thunderbird Premium. Gorgeous white on black leather interior, chrome wheels. It's a 2002 Ford Thunderbird Premium, 31,000 original miles, one family owned. We purchased it from the original family that owned this vehicle. Gorgeous southern car, no rust. Beautiful white on black, 31,000 original miles, chrome wheels, hard top carrier, beautiful black convertible top, stunning condition. Garage kept its whole life. $31,000 original miles, clean Carfax, clean auto check, clean Florida title, laser straight down the sides. Belong to a local snowbird here in Florida. I'll try to point out any flaws that I can find. There's hardly any on this car. It's gorgeous. 31,000 mile car. Please let us know if you have any questions or concerns. We're happy to help at any time. Call Supreme Motors at 954-561-2499. As for Jeff or Ken, you can text us to that number as well. We're happy to help at any time. We've been in business 45 years. We accept trades. Any type of trades. We can do sight unseen, no contact delivery, door-to-door delivery, anywhere in the world. You let us know. We're happy to help at any time. Gorgeous car. Shows absolutely beautifully. It's a couple tiny little marks in the front bumper, little bug chips possibly, just from normal wear and tear. Other than that, this car is pretty near flawless. Hard to find anything to even spot. Give it a tour of the inside. Beautiful. Tires are about 50%. Michelin Defenders. Hardtop is beautiful, flawless. It does come with the carrier and the convertible top boot. I will show you that as well. Gorgeous black leather interior. Gorgeous inside and out, non-smoker all the way, rust-free. It's got 2 keys, original owner's manuals. It's got the black ceramic steering wheel, ceramic shifter. It's got the traction control with the hard top. Just going over the options. Again, 954-561-2499 if you have any questions or concerns. Happy to help at any time. You can call or text us. Visit us at suprememotorsusa.com. 31,372 on the mileage. That could change from demonstrating purposes. Excuse the seatbelt chime. Just giving you the tour here. The dash, excellent shape. Carpet's in excellent shape. Everything's in excellent shape. This car is like new. We try to provide the best and most accurate descriptions that we can of every vehicle. If there's something that you have a question about, please don't hesitate to call us. We're happy to help. We'll walk around it with you. Whatever you want to do, give us a call at 954-561-2499. Happy to help at any time. The chrome is all in excellent shape, as you can see. Gorgeous white on black, beautiful color combination. Give us a call at 954-561-2499. You have any questions or concerns? Gorgeous 02 T-Bird here, 31,000 miles. Show you the engine and the trunk. Beautiful car. under the hood. Beautiful, no issues whatsoever. Been garage kept its whole life. This car has a beautiful black convertible top. It's in excellent shape. There's the trunk. You have your convertible top boot and the hardtop carrier. Spare tires in there. Excellent shape. Beautiful car. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. You can text us to that number. Visit us at suprememotorsusa.com, suprememotorsusa.net. We are happy to help at any time. Thank you.